Hi folks, today I'm going to show you something new that I just purchased, and it's the UpLULA mag loader. This is a really nice little mag loader for either double or single stack guns. More or less what you'll do is you'll stick your mag in there like so. You'll put it on a hard surface, and then you can just load your ammo in real quick. You just in, out, you release, come back down on top of that, another piece, and on top of that, another piece, in on top of that. I'm going to show you an upward view. I'm going to change the camera real quick. I just went ahead and got a new mag. From the top position, you're going to want this to go like so. And what you're going to do is go ahead and push down, squeeze in, push down, and then lay your ammo in on top. Release, push down, lay your ammo in on top. Release, push down, lay your ammo. Release, push down, and that's all there is to it. Let's say this is the UpLULA mag loader, and they are fairly expensive. They're going to run you around $35 to $40, but they definitely are a time saver for loading mags. But thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day.